Not that it's what I want. Oh my god. Today we are opening Blooket packs with increasingly insane amount of tokens, starting from 20, then 100, then 1000, then 5000, and finally 10,000 tokens. And if we somehow pull a chroma before the final round, I still have to keep going. Honestly, this is either going to be my luckiest video I've ever made or a complete disaster. Let's start with 20 tokens. So the only thing we can afford with 20 tokens is one of the 20 token packs. And I'm probably going to do the space pack because it's the only one you could get that has a somewhat high chance of getting a chroma. If we get a chroma here, that would be insane, but I'm not too hopeful. Okay, an alien. I mean, we shouldn't be surprised, it was just tokens. Okay, now 100 tokens. Okay, so 20 tokens opening was terrible, but now we actually have enough tokens to maybe get something decent. We're moving up to 100 tokens, which isn't a lot, but compared to 20, this feels like I'm rich. So I think I'm gonna do 4 Ice Monsters packs. Let's see, 100 tokens. Okay, I mean, at least we got a rare, but that was still really bad. I mean, I should probably be going through them somewhat slow now, but that was absolute trash. 1,000 tokens. Alright, now we're starting to get serious. The small openings are over. We now have 1,000 tokens to spend, which means if I don't get something good, luck might actually be cursed. Please look at just one good pull. I think I'm gonna do 1,000 of the Outback pack. 1,000 worth. Ooh! Okay, already an epic. Honestly, I wasn't even expecting to get one for 40, but that's crazy. Alright, I mean, that was okay. We got one epic. I honestly wasn't even expecting to get an epic, so that was actually pretty good for 1,000 tokens. Now for 5,000 tokens. This is where the video becomes ridiculous. We just jumped from 1 to 5,000 tokens. At this point, the amount of duplicates I'm about to get should actually be illegal. But statistically, we should get something insane here. Hopefully. I'm gonna open 5,000 worth of bug pack. Okay, that's our first epic. That's not bad at all. That only took 14, which is statistically unlikely. Okay, another epic. We are actually beating the odds right now, but I'm not going to be happy until we get a legendary. Oh my god, I am getting lucky on the epics right now. I have been somewhat lucky in this video right now, bro. Still won't be happy until I get a legendary. Oh my god, I'm getting insane epic luck right now. I don't even know what to say. And the scary part is, we still have more tokens left. God, another epic? How many epics have we gotten at this point? It's insane. I've never gotten this many epics from like 100 packs. Okay, that was not bad at all. I mean, my luck was actually pretty decent on that, I feel like. I mean, we still got like 100 more packs from the bug pack, And honestly, I'm liking my luck right now. Okay, another epic. I mean, honestly, the epics aren't that exciting at this point.
Yeah, at this point, I think Blooket personally hates me. How am I spending this many tokens and actually getting nothing? This is actually painful to watch.
Oh my god, I'm getting so unlucky right now. 5,000, I think we only got like 5 epics. That was pretty horrible. Our luck just went so down. Alright, this is it. 10,000 tokens. This is by far the biggest pack opening I've ever done in this video. If we don't get a chroma here, I genuinely think my account is cursed. We are not leaving until we pull something insane. This is the first 2,500. And down is the drain. Okay, that was actually really fast. I mean, you usually don't do nothing that fast. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wait, no way. Okay. That's actually insane. And the scary part is we have more tokens left. Let's go, bad. The only thing better we can get now is a chroma. And I want a chroma so bad so I can quit. Dude, that was so fast. I'm actually getting crazy lucky right now. Not that it's what I want. Oh my god, are we dead ass? Holy cow, this is like... That is one of the best openings I've ever had on 100 packs. That's crazy. Okay, you know, that was such good luck. I cannot even complain that we didn't get much on the last few. But we still got like 7.5 thousand tokens to go. I'm just so freaking lucky right now, bro. Okay, that was kind of binds. But we've still got 5,000 more tokens to go, so... I really want a chroma, bro. I need speed, I need this. Oh, that was buds, but we still got like 2,500 tokens, so hopefully we can get something with those. Alright, these are the last of my tokens. Please give me legendary, or at least come around. Last pack magic, maybe. Ugh, okay. That was buns. Overall, we didn't do too bad, but you're telling me I spent all those tokens and didn't get a chroma? That was really bad luck. But, you know, subscribe because after this video, I'm genuinely broke. And comment another challenge because somehow I have absolutely no more video ideas and I really need